What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're finally back in the shop here, me and Mike. Salt Racing, look at that. We're not sponsored by them.
Yeah, today's video is not sponsored by
But we are going to be installing this Assault Racing water pump. And to do that, we're going to have to tap and put a plug in this block. So we're going to show you how to do that. And because we're plugging the bypass, we're going to show you how to drill holes in the thermostat so you can bypass the water that way. So this is going to be good stuff, guys.
What's up, YouTube?
What up, boos?
What up? It's your boy. Hey, I gotta turn this thing around. Can't turn it around, okay?
Get your boy Boosted Graham. So the water pump is out. You can see this is the hole that we got to plug. Oh man, that's a brand new gasket too.
So, like most men, he didn't tap it deep enough.
Didn't want to hurt it.
Another 1/4 inch. If that, by an eighth.
It's got to be flush.
Yeah. Flush or it won't work. But you get the idea of what you have to do. We'll be back.
Little dabble do ya.
Little dabble do you. Crucial step though.
Crucial step, gotta have water sealant. Definitely don't want a water leak. Boom. Install.
Installed. Alright, water pump's on. Now we have to figure out the alternator and the power stick. Because why? Assault Racing.
Assault Racing.
Hey man, what are we doing?
Alright, so after you plug your bypass hole on the block,
Yes.
you gotta drill holes in your thermostat.
Drill holes in your thermostat.
Eighth inch drill bit.
1/8 inch drill bit.
Try to get over here close to this. But. On 4 holes, that's what I'm drilling.
4 holes?
Yeah.
4 holes, more flow.
We need flow since we don't have a bypass.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, so we've decided to.
Who's we? Oh.
Him. This is his project.
No.
So if it doesn't
Michael
work.
just told me I was doing it wrong.
Okay, so basically the belt wouldn't work on this side for the alternator without rubbing the bottom of the water pump wire, which is awesome. So
We deleted the power steering.
power steering.
It's gone.
Gone.
Don't need it.
Now,
Scavenging horsepower anyways.
master fabricator over here is making brackets to move the alternator on this side.
See that?
Everything's still hot.
That's all
That's why it's wearing gloves.
That looks pretty good right there. Alright guys, so video recap. We got electric water pump installed and temporarily wired up. We got new bracket for the alternator. Alternator moved from there to here to make some room. Got the new V-belt installed. And remember, just to recap on this, the bypass is a 1/8 inch tap. You don't have to drill the hole out, it fits it perfectly. 1/8 inch NPT tap and a 1/8 inch NPT plug. Do that and then you can put one of these electric water pumps on these blocks. Stay tuned for the next videos coming up, guys, because we got some big stuff coming for this car and you guys are gonna like it. So keep following, like, subscribe if you're not, and thanks guys.